every glance through the lens, Envision reshapes what binoculars can do, bridging nature and cosmos, daylight and starlight. Designed by Unistellar, the minds behind the revolutionary smart telescopes, Envision is your field guide by day and astronomer by night. These 10 by 50 millimeter smart binoculars combine a Poro-style build with advanced augmented reality to display real-time information overlaid on the natural world. No internet required. Take total control of your yard with the Yarbo lawn mower, an autonomous powerhouse crafted for vast acreage and built to thrive across unpredictable terrain. Engineered for those who demand precision and durability, Yarbo covers up to 6.2 acres, slices with a 20-inch wide, dual-disc blade system, and conquers 35-degree slopes with patented all-terrain tracks and a torsion flex mower frame that hugs uneven ground for a perfect finish. This isn't just a mower, it's a four-season tool hub with swappable yard care modules. Forget preheating and oil-splattered stovetops. The Phillips Air Fryer XXL streamlines family meals with precision and speed. Designed for efficiency, its 7-quart capacity easily handles a whole chicken or 2 bags of fries, perfect for feeding the entire family in one go. It uses rapid air technology to circulate hot air, creating crispy exteriors and tender interiors without relying on excess oil. Integrated fat removal technology captures and separates fat from food during cooking, making each bite lighter without sacrificing flavor. Samsung's latest innovation redefines how we interact with screens. The Premier 5 is a compact, ultra-short throw projector designed to create immersive, touch-enabled 100-inch displays from just 17 inches away. Whether angled toward a wall, table, or floor, it transforms any surface into a workspace, entertainment center, or gaming arena. Armed with an infrared laser module and camera, the Premier 5 transforms ordinary tables into giant interactive touchscreens. When precision meets portability, the result is a tool designed for modern demands. The Zeram. Engineered with an impressive 8,000 RPM motor, this compact, cutting-edge shaver delivers a consistently smooth shave, even against thicker stubble. Its pocket-sized body, weighing just a few ounces, ensures you're always ready for a quick touch-up. Noise is no distraction with Zeram's ultra-quiet 30-decibel performance. The Fang 2.0 Titanium Keychain. Lantern and pen and screwdriver is a versatile tool designed to meet everyday needs with precision and style. This multifunctional device seamlessly combines a powerful lantern, a functional pen, and a magnetic bit driver in one sleek titanium body. Weighing just a few ounces, it's an ideal companion for outdoor enthusiasts, campers, or anyone who requires reliability in a compact form. Raw performance meets refined mobility in the all-new ROG XG Mobile, a compact juggernaut engineered for gamers and creators who demand more from every frame and port. Outfitted with up to an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5090 laptop GPU, the XG Mobile delivers jaw-dropping ray tracing, AI-powered upscaling, and next-gen acceleration for AAA games and 3D rendering alike. Unwind with the perfect companion for your screen time, a sturdy, versatile cushion stand that molds to your needs without compromising support. Whether you're streaming, reading, or video calling, this pillow stand secures your device between 4 and 11 inches, including iPads, Kindles, e-readers, tablets, and smartphones. Designed for use on your lap, desk, or in bed, it enhances comfort while maintaining optimal viewing angles. Constructed with high-density foam and soft-touch fabric, the stand resists collapse while keeping things cozy against your skin. The Ryobi 40-volt 450 cubic feet per minute jet fan blower is a powerful and efficient tool designed to handle demanding outdoor tasks with ease. Equipped with a jet fan design, this blower delivers a robust airflow of 450 cubic feet per minute and a wind speed of 120 miles per hour, ensuring that even the toughest debris is quickly cleared from your yard, driveway, or garden. Its ergonomic design ensures comfort during extended use, while the lightweight construction helps reduce user fatigue. Maximize your laptop's capabilities with the Thunderboost eGPU dock, a powerful and sleek solution for enhanced graphics and performance. Tailored for gamers, content creators, and professionals, it seamlessly integrates with your setup to boost processing power and visual performance. Featuring Thunderbolt 5 technology, the Thunderboost ensures fast data transfer, while NVIDIA RTX support elevates graphics rendering for a smooth, lag-free experience. The DJI Osmo Mobile 7 is an advanced gimbal stabilizer designed to enhance your smartphone videography experience. Featuring a robust 3-axis stabilization system, this gimbal ensures smooth, professional-grade footage even during movement. Whether capturing fast-paced action or cinematic panning shots, the Osmo Mobile 7 guarantees steady results with minimal effort. Its ultra-light ergonomic design offers a comfortable grip, making it ideal for extended shooting sessions without fatigue. Blistering heat doesn't belong in your tent, RV, or tiny cabin. That's where the EcoFlow Wave steps in, built to dominate the elements with 4,000 BTUs of efficient, fast cooling. Whether you're parked in the desert or camped deep in the woods, this portable air conditioner changes the game with extended run times and intelligent control. With the optional 1008 WH add-on battery, you can power the Wave for up to 8 hours on eco mode, making it a go-to solution for off-grid cooling. Rethink your nightstand with a piece that merges form and function into a single sculptural element. The Octagon OnePlus portable alarm clock. Light doesn't just save space, it redefines it. Carved from 100% sustainable natural wood, this elegant device stands at the intersection of minimalist design and everyday practicality. It's a portable desk lamp, a gentle wake-up light, and a precision timekeeper all in one compact unit measuring just over 3.5 inches thick. In the stillness of a room, it waits, poised not on a base, but a point. This is not an ordinary object. It's a sculptural expression of physics and art in motion. The amazing balancing lamp captures attention by simply existing, motionless yet alert. And when set in motion, it becomes something entirely different. Swivel and stand still on any pivot point. That's its mastery. One gentle flick and it spins gracefully, maintaining dynamic balance while gliding in continuous hypnotic motion for minutes. Unlike traditional cubes that rely solely on muscle memory and repetitive practice, this futuristic cube integrates cutting-edge AI to create an entirely new way to engage with puzzle solving. The X-Mars AI Robot Cube takes learning to the next level by teaching you how to solve the cube with intelligent built-in guidance. No smartphone or app required. The AI-powered learning mode provides real-time hints, while Watch and Learn mode lets users observe the cube solve itself. The Unitri Goto is an advanced robot dog that blends cutting-edge technology with remarkable agility. Designed for both novice and experienced robot enthusiasts, the Goto offers a wide range of capabilities tailored to various skill levels. The Goto Air model is ideal for beginners, with basic movements such as walking and running, while the Goto Pro model is more sophisticated, featuring additional advanced gaits and increased challenge for enthusiasts seeking a deeper experience. In a world where multitasking defines productivity, the Trio Plus Triple Monitor reshapes how professionals, gamers, and creatives expand their screen real estate. This ultra-portable 15.6-inch triple-screen solution delivers stunning 2K and 1080p visuals with a single USB-C cable, eliminating clutter while delivering clarity. Designed for seamless use with Windows, Mac, Android, and even gaming consoles, it's the definitive upgrade for your mobile or desktop setup. The Async H7 e-bike stands as a top-tier option for those seeking versatility and performance. With a premium carbon fiber frame and handlebar, the Async H7 combines strength and lightweight construction, offering a sleek, geometrically balanced design that enhances both aesthetics and functionality. It features a powerful 960 watt-hour Samsung 21700 removable battery, capable of a maximum range of 50 miles with throttle alone and up to 100 miles with pedal assist. The Viora dual-head fan is engineered to provide a powerful and versatile cooling solution for any environment. With its innovative dual-head design, it ensures 360-degree airflow, creating a consistent breeze across all areas. The 8,000 mAh battery offers extended operation, keeping you cool for hours without needing constant recharging. Whether you're at home, in the office, or on the go, the fan's portability makes it easy to take anywhere. The experience of typing on glass has long been the standard, but Clicks transforms your iPhone into a tool of precision. Designed for those who write, message, and multitask constantly, Clicks brings physical control back to your hands without sacrificing screen space. No more toggling between keyboard and content. With 50% more usable display, you can work, play, or browse uninterrupted. Clicks are built with intention. The brushed metal side keys feel responsive and premium. A soft microfiber lining protects your device from the inside. The Getter X smart glasses combine cutting-edge technology with convenience, delivering a truly hands-free experience. Designed for those who are always on the move, these glasses allow users to access apps, translate languages, and manage daily tasks seamlessly. With direct app downloads, you can quickly install your favorite applications directly onto the glasses, reducing the need for a smartphone. Featuring real-time translation, the Getter X smart glasses are ideal for travelers and professionals in global environments. Roam X is an innovative E-Wagon that blends the convenience of remote control with the practicality of outdoor exploration. Featuring dual motors capable of producing up to 1,200 watts of power, it effortlessly handles a load of up to 440 pounds, ensuring you can carry gear on all your adventures without the usual strain. Whether navigating uphill or downhill, Roam X's intelligent speed control adjusts automatically, providing smooth handling without compromising safety. The Merchant's barbecue gloves offer exceptional protection for grilling, cooking, and baking, making them the ideal choice for culinary enthusiasts. Designed to withstand intense heat, these gloves provide an added layer of security, whether you're handling hot grills, ovens, or stovetops. The heat-resistant material ensures that your hands stay safe even when exposed to temperatures reaching 932 degrees Fahrenheit, preventing burns during those high-temperature cooking sessions. Running a seamless stream demands precision and the right gear. The Razer Stream Controller is engineered for creators who need full control at their fingertips. With a streamlined design built for efficiency, this all-in-one keypad enhances your ability to multitask across programs without losing focus. 12 customizable haptic switchblade keys give you endless macro possibilities. Adjust the tactile feedback to your preference and assign personalized icons so you never lose track of your workflow. Transform your movie nights with the Dash Smart Store Stirring Popcorn Maker, designed to deliver fresh, delicious popcorn every time. With the ability to make up to 24 cups of popcorn, it brings the authentic theater experience into your home. When you're finished, simply store any leftovers with the included storage lid that seals in freshness. Space-saving design is a standout feature as the base nests neatly inside the bowl and the lid provides a secure closure for quick and clean storage. Break away from ordinary audio experiences with the Musen Wild Jeep, a bold fusion of design, durability, and audio performance. Inspired by the spirit of off-road vehicles, this military-styled portable Bluetooth speaker blends raw aesthetics with refined acoustics. Crafted with armored elements, a firearm-style tuning knob, and a military-grade strap, this speaker is more than gear. It's a collector-grade audio artifact. The Couch Console Original Tray is an innovative solution for those who enjoy relaxing with snacks, drinks, and remote controls at hand. This practical and versatile caddy offers a sturdy armrest table with ample storage for your essentials. With a sleek black and orange design, it complements any living room, RV, or car interior. Whether you're watching TV, lounging, or traveling, this organizer ensures your items are neatly stored and easily accessible. The AeroGarden Harvest 2.0 is an innovative, compact hydroponic garden designed to seamlessly blend into your home, while providing an easy and efficient way to grow your favorite plants indoors. With its sleek design, it offers a smart and stylish solution for cultivating fresh herbs, vegetables, and flowers year-round without the need for soil. The newly redesigned features of the Harvest 2.0 enhance the growing experience. Unfold an immersive workspace wherever you roam with a 17.3-inch QHD 2560 by 1920 display engineered for serious clarity and color precision. The ASUS ZenScreen Fold OLED is designed to eliminate compromise. Its innovative water drop hinge folds seamlessly, giving you a massive screen in a compact footprint. With display HDR 500 True Black and full 100% DCI-P3 color coverage, every pixel brings rich contrast and lifelike tones, which is ideal for content creators, coders, and professionals demanding accuracy on the go. The Macaka To Go stands as the ultimate solution for coffee enthusiasts seeking convenience and quality in the great outdoors. Whether you're camping, hiking, or simply in need of a portable brewing solution, this stovetop espresso maker delivers hot or cold coffee on demand. Its compact and lightweight design ensures portability, fitting easily into any travel or camping bag. Constructed from durable materials, the Macaka To Go is built to withstand the rigors of outdoor adventures, ensuring long-lasting use. Power meets precision in the most seamless way. The Anchor 647 charging station is designed for professionals who demand more from every square inch of their workspace. Built-in retractable USB-C cables ensure your devices are always ready. Behind the scenes, 10-in-1 power makes it all happen. Performance doesn't stop there. The 100-watt high-speed charging setup ensures each port contributes efficiently. Use the primary USB-C cable for up to 60 watts charging, or the secondary one for up to 45 watts. Introducing the Mesmo Globe Liquid, an extraordinary desk toy designed to captivate the mind and elevate your workspace. With its mesmerizing kinetic movements and smooth, continuous flow, the Mesmo Globe brings a dynamic touch of artistry to your environment. It's not just a toy, it's a tool that helps enhance focus, spark creativity, and reset your mental state. Crafted with precision, the liquid motion creates a soothing optical illusion that draws the eye and calms the mind.